Hello, in this video we will see basics of plant maintenance. What is a plant maintenance? Okay. And why company or business required SAP plant maintenance module, and what is the actual use of plant maintenance on the industry level. So first question is, what is a plant maintenance? In the simple way, plant maintenance module is help the keep machines and technical system of plant in optimal working condition. Okay. So goal of plant maintenance is maximum equipment availability at minimum cost with safety and quality assured. There's a three things. First is availability. Machines ready when production needs them. Okay, whenever the production manager or production is required, in that time machine should be available in optimal working condition. Second thing is cost of repair of machine. Okay, every repair there is a cost is applicable. Okay, cost of spare part, cost of technicians. Okay, so to calculate the actual cost to repair the product or repair the machine or equipment, okay, that cost is easily and very smartly captured in the plant maintenance module. Third is to fulfill the compliances. Okay, there is a government bodies or agencies, FDA, ISO, that the agencies do the audit of the manufacturing plant. Okay, to compliance for that audit, the SAP plant maintenance module play a major role. So for example, how plant maintenance will help to avoid the loss to the companies. Okay, so for example, there is a cement plant. Okay, there is a rotary kiln and they're running 24/7. If the rotary kiln is breakdown for the 24 hours, okay, after the repair, it will take 24 to 48 hours to go to the optimal working condition. Okay, so total loss to the companies, to cement companies, around 50 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is a big loss to the companies. To avoid this type of losses, okay, and make the machines or equipment in a working condition, so plant maintenance model may play the major role. So now on the technical level, why do companies need SAP PM? Okay, there is a fourth thing. First is reduce the downtime of machine. Okay, so if there is a machine, it is in the downtime or it is in the breakdown. Okay, it is not in a working condition. In that time, it will delay the production, and delay the production means it will delay the uh, provide the product to the customer. Okay, and it is indirectly lost to the company. Okay, so it reduced the unplanned breakdowns, stop production, idle workers. Okay, and delay in customer deliveries. Okay, these are one major role, one major thing, or one major reason why companies need SAP PM. Okay, second reason is cost transparency. Okay, so SAP PM capture the cost of the maintenance of the machine or equipment very smartly. It capture the cost of spare part, capture the cost of technicians. Okay, the technicians or labor spend the time on machine to repair that. Okay, and the cost of services, so capture the cost. So it is a second reason. Third reason is legal compliances. Okay, there is a many agencies or government bodies that do the audit of the manufacturing plant. Okay, so it is a mandatory for the pharma, food, power plant, like that. Okay, to prove the inspection happen on that machines or equipment to avoid the accident or avoid the loss, and to make the quality of product, to maintain the quality of product, ISO, FDA do the audit of these companies. Okay, so for this also companies required SAP PM. And fourth is better decision. SAP capture the data and store the data and store the history of data of each equipment, plant, machines, functional. It capture the data very smartly. Okay, so based on the history of the equipment, okay, so management of the business or companies take the better decision, better decision for the fund allocation for the maintenance, better decision on the calculate the future production capacity. Okay, better decision on the plan the workforce, hire the workforce. Okay, all these better decision uh, based on the data of the machines and equipment. Okay, so these are the four major reason why company need SAP PM. Now, what is a organization structure of SAP PM? It is a basic and it is very easy to understand. Okay, so first on the top is company code. On the company code level, all the accounts, all the costs are captured. Okay, and the post on company code level. So it show the profit and loss on all the details, and it is a legal entity. Second is plant. Plant is a maintenance plant. Okay, the plant where the machines or equipment are physically installed. Okay. Third is a plant section. Plant section is plant is divided into the multiple sections. Okay, as per the production requirement, as per the maintenance requirement. Okay, multiple sections and multiple floors. So these are the plant. And fourth is work center. Work center is a team or group of technicians who perform the maintenance activity on the machines. Okay, so here is an example is Tata Motor. Tata Motors Limited is a company code. Tata Motors have assembly plant in Pune, so maintenance plant is Pune assembly plant, because the machines are installed in the Pune assembly plant. And in the Pune assembly plant there is a one shop, the paint shop. Okay, and in the paint shop mechanical workshop is there, so mechanical technicians is there to repair the paint shop. Okay, these are the basic understanding for the organizational structure of the plant maintenance model. Now, what is the difference between maintenance plant and planning plant? So maintenance plant and planning plant, so there is a two scenario. One is centralized and decentralized. Okay, so first we see the decentralized. Decentralized means the Tata Motors has a plant in the Nagpur. Okay, and Nagpur plant team is only deciding the maintenance plan, so maintenance activity for the Nagpur plant. Okay, so Nagpur plant, the team is responsible for the maintenance of the Nagpur plant machines. Okay, this is called the decentralized. And centralized means the Tata Motors have the plant in multiple location in India, but head office plant it is in the Jamshedpur. So they gave the authority to Jamshedpur team to plan the maintenance activity of the other plant also, like Nagpur plant, Pune, Raipur, like that. So Jamshedpur team will plan the maintenance activity of all the plants is available in the different location. So we call this is a centralized process. Okay, but in the actual scenario in the in SAP PM module, decentralized process is widely used. Okay, so in this decentralized process, maintenance plant and planning plant is the same, but in centralized process maintenance plant and planning plant will be the different. So here Jamshedpur plant is a planning plant, and the other three plant like Nagpur, Raipur and other three are the maintenance plant. So who decide when it is serviced? Okay, so we call planning plant. Where is the machine physically installed, we call maintenance plant. Now, what is the difference between functional location and equipment? Functional location means a fixed position, okay, or area, okay, in the plant where the machine is installed. Equipment is a machine. Okay, the machine is a physical machine that can be installed in a functional location or dismantled from the functional location and installed to the different location. Okay, the simple, the functional location means the filling line or capping station. It is a location in the plant. Okay, equipment is in that filling line there is a one machine is installed, one equipment is installed, like 50 horsepower motor is installed in the filling line station. Okay, so filling line is a functional location, is a physical location. On the physical location the equipment or machine is installed. Okay, so we call equipment or machine, and the location we call functional location. So now we see the functional location hierarchy. Okay, so how we design the functional location hierarchy. So for example, Nagpur bottling plant. Now in the Nagpur there is a bottling plant. Okay, in the bottling plant there is a one area, the one multiple section. The one section is filling area. In the filling area there is a one line filling line. In the filling line there is a capping station. Okay, so from the functional location we know the exact location of the filling line, exact location of the capping station. Okay, so means there is a one bottling plant. In that bottling there is a filling area, there is a filling line, there is a capping station. So whenever technician see the functional location, he knows the what is the exact location of the functional area or exact location of the equipment is where the equipment is installed. So based on this functional location hierarchy, the technician can easily install, or any person can easily not install, any person can easily understand. Okay, so why it matters? So replace the capping machine with new one, the location stays the same. So whenever any technician has to replace the capping machine installed in the capping station. Okay, capping station, which capping station? Capping station in the filling line 1. In the filling line 1, where is filling line? In the filling area, where is filling area? It is in the Nagpur plant. Okay, so from this functional location, technician can easily understand the location, physical location of the equipment. So now what is the equipment? Equipment is, in the simple word, is a machine, a physical machine. Okay, in equipment, in SAP, equipment is a like it stored all the details. Okay, from the installation to dismantle. Okay, for example, we have 50 horsepower motor we installed in the location of Mills pin M05. In this location we installed a 50 horsepower motor. Okay, now after the 2 years the motor is vibrate, it dismantle and sent for rewinding. So motor is dismantle, okay, from this location and sent for rewinding. But after removing this motor, technician replace with the new motor. So spare part means the motor is installed at the same location. On the same location new motor is installed and production is continuous. So production is not stopped. Okay, only the defective motor they uninstall and new motor is installed on that location, and defective motor is they took the defective motor and sent for the repair. So the point is, both the motors keep their individual history and the location shows every motor that ever served there. Okay, so in equipment all the details are saved, like when is this installed, when it is uninstalled, okay, on which location it is installed, what cost is required, what cost till date it is captured for the maintenance. Okay, how many times the maintenance order is generated on that equipment. Okay, when the maintenance order is generated, what is a preventive history of the equipment. Okay, at what interval the technician doing the preventive maintenance, okay, to avoid the breakdown, and every maintenance what is the cost company has to bear to repair, to prevent the breakdown. For the preventive maintenance, what is the cost company has to bear. All the details are saved on the equipment level. Next is the notification and work order. Okay, so there is a two core document in SAP PM module. One is notification and another is work order. We call maintenance notification and maintenance order. So maintenance notification is a primary document. Okay, this document is created to report the problem. Okay, any problem we have to report. To report that problem, this maintenance notification document is created. So in the document, what happened, where and when, who created by, okay, and then there is a no cost or planning, like this all the details are captured on the notification. Okay, like for example, conveyor chain broken, line 2 stopped. Okay, so the chain is broken, line 2 stopped. The maintenance order, in the maintenance we plan the execution and we execute the order, we capture the hours, we capture the cost. Okay, and we do the maintenance activity. Okay, so operations, work center, labor hours, spare part, if we replace any spare part or add any spare part, service order. Okay, capture the cost. Okay, all this we do in the maintenance order. So maintenance notification is for the report the problem, maintenance order is for the execution of maintenance on that machine. Okay, so for example, 2 fitters, 3 hours plus spare part is used to repair. So notification is telling the doctor your symptoms, and order is the prescription and the hospital bill. Now there is a 5 types of maintenance. It is on the basic level, the 5 types of maintenance is there. Breakdown, breakdown is for the after failure. Okay, is a breakdown. Corrective is we found a defect and we plan for the repair. Preventive is before failure, we we create a one schedule, okay, to provide the preventive maintenance on the machines. Then a predictive is for when the condition crosses a limit, okay. There is some condition on every equipment. If that cross the limit, machine is not broken down yet, but they cross the limit, okay, of the conditions applicable for each machines, then we predict the maintenance and we do the maintenance. That is called predictive maintenance. And the refurbishment means we repair any product and we took the defective spare part, we send this defective spare part to vendor or internal technician team to repair that spare part. For example, there is a motor is burnt and we send this motor for rewinding. Now there is a simple process flow. Yeah, it is for the applicable for not only breakdown, it will applicable for all the plant maintenance process. The process start from the notification. T code is IW21. Operator report the conveyor is stopped. For example, conveyor is stopped, so report, he create notification. Then based on notification, order is create, or directly order you can also create. IW31 and IW34 is a transaction. Then release the order IW32, okay. So status is changed to REL release. So then goods issue, if any spare part is consumed, then we have to perform goods issue through MIGO transaction. Then time confirmation, if there is operations, okay, for each operation how much time technician required to do the maintenance activity, or so to capture the time hours each operation wise, okay. So we do the time confirmation and we confirm the time, the actual time is how much actual time is required. Then TACO, complete the maintenance order, and after that we do the settlement, we settle the cost on the cost center. So these are the cost center or WBS. These are two different, we will see in detail when we see the maintenance order scenario. So but it is a basic, after the completion of maintenance order we have to settle the cost on the cost receiver object, okay. This is the order status, its standard status, how it will change when we create a order. It is created status, then release, then confirm, then take and closed. Now there is a two things in the preventive maintenance, okay. There is a two things, one is task list and another is maintenance plan. Task list is work like a recipe, okay. In the task list we predefine the operation, we predefine the technicians, we predefine the hours required each operation wise, okay. We predefine, or we can create the task list equipment wise also, or general task list also, that will applicable for all type of equipment, okay. So task list is work like a recipe. Another is maintenance plan. Maintenance plan is a schedule, okay, is a schedule of the preventive maintenance to perform the maintenance activity on the machines to avoid the breakdown, okay. At regular interval, maintenance order is automatically created based on the maintenance plan, and after the maintenance order is created, technician team go to the on the plant and do the maintenance activity. Like for example, pharma plant, every weighing balance must be calibrated monthly, okay. In the pharma plant, every weighing balance must be calibrated monthly, or the plant fails FDA or WHO audit, or if they not do the calibration every monthly, so then in the audit they fail, okay. So each balance is means equipment, and the procedure means task list. As per the task list they do the calibration. And but how they know they have to do the calibration? So to create a plan, maintenance plan, okay. So plan generate calibration order automatically every month, okay. According to month, every order technician do the calibration activity, okay, after and the complete the order. So it is a basic information about the plant maintenance module. And in the upcoming videos we will see the detailed information, topic wise we will see the detailed information for like for notification order, maintenance order, and the process wise also we see the detailed information. Thank you very much.